Hello everyone, I am Dhanesh Budada, a junior undergraduate student in the Department of Chemical Engineering, and I am contesting for the post of General Secretary. I am currently the Secretary of Annuity, the Finance Club of IIT Gandhinagar, a member of the PDC Council, and a class representative. In the past, I have organized Udan, Amalthea, Jashna, Intramurals, and I have also been a part of the IRP Council. I therefore have a fair idea of how the college administration works. During my tenure, I ensure that there will be transparency and that the voices of every student will be heard. You, as the student of IIT Gandhinagar, will therefore have the right to hold every council secretary accountable for his or her performance. An option to upvote or downvote the performance of every council secretary at the end of every month will therefore be available. I propose the formation of a finance council which will primarily be focusing on delays in payments of stipends, scholarships, fellowships, EWIL, and other activities that involve the administration paying the students. This will ensure financial stability from the perspective of the students as well as the administration. I also propose an increase in student involvement in the alumni cell. Alumni cells play a very crucial role in all the other IITs. However, at IIT Gandhinagar, this system is a bit lacking. I propose that alumni will be contacted for their ideas and the regrets that they had during their stay at IIT Gandhinagar. Interested students will then take these ideas forward under the mentorship of the same alumni. To bring in companies which specifically want to hire postgraduate students, a separate section of the CDS student team will be assigned with the task of trying to contact companies specific to postgraduate students. I also propose the formation of a platform for projects and internships, and through this platform, students will be able to identify other students having common project components and thus opening gates for collaboration and assisting each other. Now coming to the hostel, a very second home. The main purpose of common rooms of hostels was so that students could get together, collaborate, and interact with each other. However, with half of the common rooms acting as mere storerooms, this purpose is more or less just defeated. I propose the plan to modify each of these common rooms into centers catering to some specific purpose. For example, one of the common rooms could have whiteboards for collective studying. One common room could have prototyping machines. One common room could have ironing facilities, etc. I also plan to conduct drives for KYC, passport, Aadhaar card, etc. once every semester. To ensure the mental well-being of all the students, building on the student guide program of UG students, I propose the mentorship program for PG students. New PG students can therefore interact with the seniors and get an idea about how the college proceeds. To foster innovation, interdisciplinary projects will be promoted. At the end of the year, a project showcase will also take place where students can showcase their research work. To conclude, while these are my main ideas, I am not restricted to them. I assure you that during my tenure, I will be looking for new problems and identify solutions accordingly. If you like my ideas and if you think I'm a worthy candidate for the post of General Secretary, do vote for me. Thank you.